So our client's a very discerning client. He was after a screen which was larger than what's generally available in the consumer market. We were looking for something larger than 100 inch, primarily. We eventually settled on 110 inches, which fitted the Samsung brief really well because the modules fit together to make 110 inches nicely. So we considered a number of solutions, including that of projection. So some of the considerations we had to take into account were ambient lighting, the size of the room, because it's very vast. We're dealing with quite a large residential area where there could be people viewing the screen from up to 10, 15 or even 20 metres away. There I got the opportunity to compare things side by side and look at a number of different manufacturers, from the way that they build them, the way that they're adjustable, to the complete finished product. Something we were also after that we couldn't get with projection was a high contrast ratio where we could actually get really, really bright colours that would pop. This product was very, very new, so it wasn't available to consider in New Zealand. So we went to America and saw the product there. There we were able to look at it at an exhibition, compare with a number of other different products, and Samsung was very, very good. But when we looked at the screen, we were going to be in awe of it rather than counting pixels. We didn't want to see the fine pixels, that's why we went to the 1.2. So when we saw the 1.2, we were very happy, and that the end result we were very, very happy with. We've got a great picture and the client's happy. So the expectations were that we were going to get a screen that was going to be immersive, so that you were going to be captivated by the screen. You were going to be in awe of it, and you were going to be just sort of looking at it and not being able to take your eyes off it. We expected bright, vivid colours and things that would really pop, and those expectations were definitely met. So the evaluation will be done over a period of time. Obviously, one of the criteria is whether the client's happy, and at this point in time, the client's very happy.